To stand up in the water from a back float, you're doing two things at once, sitting down and standing up, or sitting down and sitting up. You're sitting down in a chair or on a couch, but you're sitting up in bed. Okay, so your lower half is sitting down, your upper half is sitting up. So it looks like this. Go from here, you lower your hips, bring your knees into your chest, but at the same time, raise your head up out of the water. Okay? Now, a lot of people need their arms to help too. That's okay. Use your arms to look like this. You're pulling water through your hips towards the surface. And if you need a second twirl of the arms, take a second twirl. Like that. Okay? All right. Lay back. Deep breath. Good. Now, sit down in the water with your hips and sit up in the water with your head. Good. And then the last part about the whole dismount from your back is try not to come up out of the air too much. In fact, you're better if you can stay at the surface of the water until your feet get there and then stand things up. Because if you try to stand up too early, you're gonna slip off the bottom and then have chaos and panic and all that. We don't want that. Hips down, knees in, sit up, but stay low. Good, just like that. You're transferring your balance because your body was weighted back by your head. You brought your knees in, now it's super weighted down by your head. We need to transfer the balance to the other side of your hips. If your head is on this side of the hips, you need to get your head to that side of the hips. We're going like this. We're drawing the hips down and backwards and continuing to draw them backwards until they're behind the head. See how my hips were here? Now they're here. And I transferred my balance slowly but surely. Good. Now sit down and transfer your weight towards the front. Very good. Start leaning back and then deep breath. Perfect. Now you can paddle and kick. And now you can dismount, palms up. Yeah, awesome. We are dismounting with ease now. That's awesome. If you found this video helpful, make sure you splash that like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel for free, become a member today. We're going to be increasing the price of the membership soon. Also, go ahead and follow us on the other social medias that are like Instagram and TikTok and all the other ones. Buy some merch. We are keeping one color each year, but every 4 years, as you just saw, we did our red color version. So if you missed that, sorry, you're going to have to wait till the LA Olympics in 2028. With that said, thanks for watching. I'm Jonny Rocket, and let's get swimming.